We often get the question why we want that our customers use APC connectors instead of normal straight connectors. Well, let me explain. When a DTS or a DAS or another optical device sends in a laser pulse, it travels through the fiber, and when it hits the connector, when it's a straight connector, it acts like a mirror, and all the light is reflected back into the detector, leading actually to false measurements, because this backscatter is not related to any physical parameter of the cable. On the other hand, when you use angled connectors, an APC connector, again, the laser pulse travels towards the edge, but then the reflection, the backscatter, is dispersed into the cladding of the fiber, meaning that this backscatter doesn't reach the detector, and that also the measurements are not affected. So, in summary, always use APC connectors, like this one, a green connector, to avoid bad measurements on your DTS or DAS equipment. Thank you.